everyone, Tracy here with CocoCon Essential Oils, wrapping up our mini series on cinnamon essential oil with cinnamon incense sticks. So we're going to make some incense sticks with cinnamon bark, cinnamon leaf, peppermint, red mandarin, and frankincense essential oils. We're going to start with 5 blank incense sticks. We do have these on our website, so you can get the plain blank ones and make your own incense sticks. So the first step is going to be 15 drops cinnamon bark. First, you need a flat surface, preferably, actually what works really well, which I didn't have any with me today, but are those incense stick holders. Just don't use the resin ones because those are porous. Use the ceramic ones. That way your oils don't soak into the resin, the ones that are resin. Okay, so first is 15 drops of cinnamon bark, and we're just gonna kind of move up and down the sticks. All the oil is gonna kind of collect on the plate here, and then we'll roll them at the end to soak up all the oil. So we've got 15 drops of cinnamon bark. All right, and now we're gonna do 15 drops of cinnamon leaf. And just to recap a little bit from our previous videos on cinnamon essential oil, the cinnamon leaf and the cinnamon bark are great for their airborne antimicrobial properties. They're also immune supporting, which is nice this time of year. And next we're going to do peppermint essential oil, and for peppermint we're going to put 20 drops on the incense sticks. Peppermint is a great oil for respiratory support. You guys see that little bubble there? When you get a bubble in your essential oil bottle, blow it out. Otherwise your oil gets stuck, and then when the bubble pops on its own, it comes rushing out. So just a little tip there. 20 drops of peppermint. And peppermint is really good, like I was saying, as a respiratory supporter. So, and it's good for opening the breathing airways. It's a great pain reliever or soother. It's good for concentration and focus. It's an energizing, uplifting, kind of get you going kind of oil. So those are some of the benefits of peppermint. Next, we're going to do red mandarin. So there's red mandarin and green mandarin. Green mandarin is the cold pressed from the unripe fruit, rind of the fruit, and then the red mandarin is the ripe version. I like the red mandarin better myself. Just aromatically, it's a brighter, crisper aroma. So 30 drops of mandarin. One more. There we oops. One extra. So mandarin, like all the citrus oils, are great immune supporters, and they're happy oils. Next and last is frankincense. We're going to do 10 drops of frankincense. I like to use frankincense for incense sticks, especially if you're going to do morning prayers or morning meditations with them. Frankincense is a good oil for getting in a zone, so to speak. So 10 drops of frankincense. Okay, and then this is where it's nice if you have a nice skinny, little dipped out incense burner, ceramic burner, because then you can roll your sticks better. But so we're just gonna soak all of the oil up with our sticks. And this one, actually, I'm gonna add a couple more sticks because they'll easily absorb that. Don't want to waste any of this precious oil. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells divine. And it's so just warming, invigorating, cozy fall feeling. Now these incense sticks are extremely aromatic. I took them home and put them in my little yoga room, and my whole house smelled like, or 3/4 of the house smelled like the cinnamon and the peppermint for at least a week. So they're really, really aromatic. Now your final step when making your incense sticks is to let them dry. So you can just put them in, a cup and let them sit out for a 24-hour period before you light them. That way they dry all the way and they're not a fire hazard. So make sure you let them dry first. But thank you guys so much for watching my mini series or today's video on cinnamon essential oil and how to make incense sticks. I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you next time.